I don't know if it's probably a good place to start. Really, is a little bit of your background, a little bit of experience from you. How have you ended up here with us today? Is a good place to start.
So a very potted history. I come from a manufacturing background, spent a lot of years in that world, and then software became an interest because it's very closely aligned with process automation. And for the last 20 years, I've been working with products like Therefore because they drive efficiency in business and they ultimately reduce costs.
Fine. And you've been dealing with, I guess, workflow process tools for, you said about
Best part of 20 years.
20 years. Okay, so big, long background, long history. Probably
Lots
more
of
than I've
grey
been in
hairs.
work. Definitely more than I've been in work. So, okay, great. And you've been with Therefore, sorry, I might have missed that.
I've been with Therefore for 4 years, but I've worked with the product for about 9 years.
Fine. Okay. So again, a lot of experience, a lot of history in that area.